Hi mga kabeshi, ako magaganda na katulad ko. Char! So today is our weekly grocery shopping day. So usually mga kabeshi, sa Publix kami nag-grocery shopping, but today we decided to switch it up because we want to find the perfect Christmas tree. So I'm so excited mga kabeshi. Are you ready mga kabeshi wak? So let's go! So ayan mga kabeshi wak, we are here now at Walmart. So first, ang bubungan sa amin is itong chocolate. Dahil ito ay para sa mga bata na kapag Halloween is mayroong nakikipag trick or treat, gano'n. So, ipamimigay natin yan kung sakaling may kumatok sa atin ng mga bata. Hanap siya ng vitamins. This one.
$8.
So, ayan mga kabeshi, wak yung mga iba't ibang Christmas tree nila dito. Which one do you like? How much that?
$164.
164. So, ito yung napili namin. T35. So, ito yung price niya. Almost $30 na rin. No, babe? Roll Tide! Mukha kang Roll Tide, babe. Smile. Mukhang Roll Tide yung baby ko. Oh, you're gonna lose this. You might lose it. So, ayan. Bibili tayo ng toothpaste. So, ayan. Bili din tayo ng eggnog. Gusto niyang ipatry ito sa akin kung magugustuhan ko nga pa. Really?
What's the date on it?
Eggnog. Ito yung price niya. No, is this the price?
That's good.
Try natin to.
Land O'Lakes is good, but it's expensive.
Yeah. It's big. Okay. Bring me down. So ito na lang yung kinuha natin. Yung sa malaki. So ibalik natin tong isa. So ayan po yung price niya. Dating 19 tapos 17 na lang ngayon. So let's buy some bacon mga kabeshi wak, and this is more than $8. Where did you get this? It's only one. Dami na. You want that?
No.
Mahilig talaga yung asawa ko sa chocolate. You want blue one? Just get two.
Oh, look, that one's way back there.
130. Okay, mura lang yung kanilang nuts dito. 262. Where? This one? Kasi nandito na rin. Pudding.
Vanilla instant pudding, 5 filling.
More instant. No sale. Check the expiration. So, dalawa yung binili namin. Mas mabuti pa dito kasi may mura silang tinapay. Yung price. $2. Mas mura yung kanilang smoothie dito. Ito, $12. Ay, pero maliit lang siya. Ito magkano? Try natin ito.
Mas mura yung kanilang cucumber dito. Maybe dalawa. Let's try the white. Maybe this one. Lemon. 68. 68. One. Maybe just two, baby. That's enough. How much? $1?
Yeah.
Per pound? Per pound?
About the bananas.
So itong bayabas nila dito mga kabeshi wak, ang mahal. Kinukuha ko lang to dati sa bukid. Charot.
Ah, smells good. Rambutan. $4.
More than $8 itong bayabas nila dito.
Yung kanilang banana. 54 cents. Hindi ko alam kung organic to.
Is that okay?
Probably it's just a skin. That's okay.
Milligrams. Yeah, that's good.
20 milligrams. Ah. Hope this is gonna be okay.
So ayun mga kabeshiwak, mag-check out na tayo. Ito na yung ating weekly grocery shopping. So we got everything we need for a week. And nakabili na rin tayo ng Christmas tree. So thanks for coming with us mga kabeshiwak. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe na rin for more fun vlogs. See you next time. Bye!